Your customer reports that no outbound calls are occurring for Proactive Outreach Manager (POM) campaign for a new installation. Which configuration should be checked? Option A. The global configuration data for POM. You need to check that the POM server, Campaign Manager, Campaign Director, and Postgres database are running. Option B. You need to check that the POM server, Campaign Manager, Campaign Director, Apache Web Server, and Postgres database are running. Option C. You need to check that the POM server, Campaign Manager, Campaign Director, Apache Web Server, NTPD daemon, and Postgres database are running. Option D. You need to check that the POM server, Campaign Manager, Campaign Director, Apache Web Server, Tomcat service and Postgres database are running. The correct answer is option C. You need to check the Avaya or Experience Portal, AAEP, Proactive Outreach Manager, POM, licensing screen. Which fields may be altered? Option A. The short message service, SMS, and email connection along with the maximum outbound ports. Option B. The maximum outbound ports. Option C. The SMS and email connections. Option D. The email connections and the maximum outbound ports. The correct answer is option A. You are preparing to build an Avaya or Experience Portal, AAEP, software-only system and have chosen to use Oracle Linux Server Release Bit operating system. Which two statements are true? Choose two. Option A. Oracle Linux Server software is not an approved operating system for hosting EP 6.0 servers. Option B. 64-bit operating systems are approved for hosting EP servers. Option C. Either Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.0 32-bit or Oracle Linux Server Release 6.0 32-bit can be used for hosting EP 6.0 servers. Option D. Either Fedora Core 6 32-bit or SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 11 32-bit can be used for hosting EP 6.0 servers. Option E. Either Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.0 64-bit or CentOS 6.0 64-bit can be used for hosting EP 6.0 servers. The correct answer is option D, E. You are about to install Avaya or Experience Portal, AAEP, on a server that already has Linux installed. Which three items should you verify before installing it? Choose 3. Option A. The server has a static IP address configured. Option B. The server has antivirus software installed and running. Option C. The SE Linux feature is set to permissive or disabled. Option D. The Linux firewall is disabled. Option E. NTP is configured to synchronize the server's clock with a reliable time source. The correct answer is option B, D, E.